The Dooney and Bourke large Barlow Tote is a great size bag for every day. Welcome back to returning viewers, and if you're new, hello, welcome to Bag Feels, where I do bag reviews and comparisons that focus on feel, design, practicality, and value. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Dooney and Bourke large Barlow Tote. Color is black with tan handles. I've seen this particular tote on various platforms like eBay and Poshmark in all kinds of colors. So there's a lot of variety out there. I got this one on eBay because I couldn't find it on the Dooney and Bourke site, but I had been looking for this particular one after I saw it featured in another YouTube video. So let's have a look at this bag. You've got the two handles on top. You've got D-rings on the side, so you can use whatever strap you'd like, or you can use the detachable crossbody strap that's included with the bag, which I'll show you a little bit later. And I usually turn the bag around like this and talk about whether or not there are outside pockets. So on this one, you do kind of have outside pockets, but since they're flush with the top of the bag, it may not necessarily look that way. So let me show you what I mean. You have this pocket here with a magnet closure, as well as one on the back. And then the main compartment is in the middle. Each pocket has a magnetic snap closure, as does the main center compartment. So you have all these magnetic snaps right there in the center. Something to note about these pockets is they don't go all the way down the bag. I'm not sure I've seen that on other bag designs, but it's very interesting because this pocket ends right about here. So it doesn't go all the way down to the bottom of the bag. It's just there at the top. This one has a card slot in it, and the back one, same, that it doesn't go all the way down to the bottom of the bag. It's just a higher pocket. So it's a really unique design. I'm not sure it's for everyone, but I love those shallow pockets because then I can put my phone in one and my sunglasses in the other, and they just seem to be in really easy reach. So I'm not digging in the bottom of my bag looking for them. They're just right out there, ready to grab and go. So I really like those pockets. The interior is lined in this light colored fabric. You do have a key leash down here. I do kind of wish the key leash was just a little bit higher up on the bag so it's easier to grab, like maybe up here, but as you can see, it's about halfway down the side. There's a large zippered pocket in back, slip pocket in front, and then two slip pockets up here. You have the leather patch that says Dooney and Bourke. The front does have that logo in gold, and it does have 5 feet on the bottom. This leather feels really good. It's very nice and soft. I need to say this bag is surprisingly lightweight. You would think with all this leather that this would be a heavy bag, but I don't find it to be the case at all. It's very lightweight for this type of bag. So I do have another Dooney bag here that I thought you might like to see a comparison. This is the Buckley bag in navy and tan. I do a full review on this bag on my channel, so if you're interested, make sure to check that one out. So I'm just going to put it next to the Barlow Tote so you can see the size difference in these. They're about the same height and very similar width. The depth at the base is where you see the most difference. So the Buckley is a pretty large bag. You can fit everything into the Buckley. So if you're wanting more space than what you have in the large Barlow Tote, the Buckley might be a good alternative as well if you like that bucket shape and the drawstring closure. Overall, I only have the 3 Dooney and Bourke bags, this large Barlow Tote, and the 2 Buckley bags. I haven't been around a lot of Dooney and Bourke, but I will say that these bags really are constructed to last a lifetime. Just looking at how they build the bags and where they stitch and where they place rivets. Everything that you want to be reinforced is reinforced well and constructed well. Here is the crossbody strap that comes with the Barlow Tote. It's a double adjustable strap, so you can adjust it from here as well as the other side to get various lengths. I like that the buckles don't go too far up the strap, so there's enough room to have the strap on your shoulder without the buckle sitting right on top. This is actually a very comfortable strap. It is unfinished on the underside. It does have that unfinished feel, but I can still wear it without feeling uncomfortable. So I have a curvy body type, and usually I have to have a strap on the longest setting, but on this one, this is a perfect crossbody length for me, and it's not on the longest setting yet. You still have a few more adjustment holes to go, so it's a very generous strap, and I appreciate that. Let's pack this bag up and see how everything fits. Like I mentioned, these two pockets on the side don't go all the way down the bag, so I'm going to put my sunglasses case in the front pocket, and you can see still fairly within easy reach. Here is a phone I use for packing videos. It's an iPhone SE, so that's going to go in the back pocket. There's still a lot of room in these pockets. We've got the key leash for the keys. I have a pill box I'm going to put in the back zippered pocket. A pack of gum can go in one of the front slip pockets. A pack of tissues can go in the other one. So this pocket on the right is actually a little bit smaller than this one, so I had to push a little bit harder to get the tissues in. Here is a glasses case, EpiPen. This is my Coach Essential Slim wallet in the crystal signature jacquard. This is a pouch I keep small things in like chapstick and eye drops. And I always carry Purell wipes with me. I know that some people carry like a little bottle of hand sanitizer, but those can come open at inconvenient times, and once those spill on leather, you're not really going to get those stains out. So I don't like to carry the liquid form, but I do take the individually wrapped wipes. These are really nice. So there's still room in here, but I feel like it's getting a little bit full. I'm still going to see if I can put my bottle of water in. Okay, that's fine. Usually if I have extra room, I'll put my gloves in, but it is getting more full than I tend to pack my bags. I did also want to see if a Coach notebook would fit in here. And it does fit nicely. Close the bag. So you can kind of see the water bottle on the top, but it is all contained within the bag. Close that snap. So that's how it looks, all packed up and ready to go. This is a great size bag for everyday carry. It does feel more lightweight than other leather bags that I have in similar sizes, so that could be the materials used, and that could also be just good weight distribution. The one thing I think is just a little bit odd is these clasps seem really big for what they are. So it just looks a little bit disproportionate when I clip those on. Maybe I'm just used to other clasps, but just for instance, I'll compare it next to the hardware on my crossbody strap for a Coach tabby. So you can see it's just, it really kind of looks gigantic, but that's okay. It still works. It feels like it's going to last. And altogether, I think this is a beautiful, practical bag. So for this tote, I mentioned I got it on eBay. I paid a total of $132.51 for it, including tax and shipping, which I think is a fantastic value. And I do a lot of Coach bag reviews, and so I just wanted to say that I do believe that this particular bag has a better layout than the Coach Rogue. It's just easier to get into each compartment than it is for the Rogue bag. So if I'm choosing a bag for the day and I want this style where I have the large compartment in the center with the 2 side pockets, and I just wanted something easy and carefree, I would opt for the Dooney and Bourke large Barlow Tote. So I hope this review was helpful. Do you have other Dooney and Bourke bags that you recommend? Let me know in the comments. I've got lots more videos coming, so feel free to mosey on over to my channel and check them out. Thank you for watching.